Hi everyone, welcome back to the Absolute Basics of Programming course. In this video, we will be looking at the tools that we require to start with programming. Our choice of weapon is Python programming language simply because it is a very powerful and yet a very easy to learn programming language. The software that we need to install for this is called Anaconda. So to install Anaconda, just go to Google and search for Anaconda Python. You will see a set of search results. Just go into the first link that appears in the search result, which is the individual edition Anaconda. Once you go into the web page, just scroll down to the bottom of the web page. Here you will find a set of Anaconda installers. Mine is the Windows 10. It is a 64-bit system. So I will just download the version Python 3.7 64-bit graphical installer. Since there is a very large file for installation, I have already downloaded this file here. Once the software, the installer gets downloaded, you can pause the video, and once your download gets completed, you can resume with the following steps. Now double click on the downloaded installer file. Once this dialog box opens, click on next, click on I agree, and here select the all users option, click on next. Your system might ask for administrator privileges, select yes, and over here for you can just leave it as such. The destination folder that appears, you can just leave it as such, but for me I have already installed the Anaconda. So if I try to click on next, it will show an error that an instance of Anaconda already exists. So for demo purpose, I will just select another destination folder location. I have an empty folder called Anaconda in desktop. I'll just select that folder and click on next. Over here, just select the register Anaconda 3 as a system Python 3.7. Click on OK, and then click on install. Once the installation completes, you can go to the start menu and look for Anaconda navigator, and then just open this navigator option, and this is the Anaconda navigator screen that you'll be looking at. Once the Anaconda navigator opens up, just hover on to the Jupyter notebook and click on the launch button. This might take a while. Once you launch the Jupyter notebook, a new tab will open in your system's default internet browser. Mine is the Chrome web browser, so a new tab will open in my Chrome. There it is. So this is the editor where we will be creating our Python files. Now we can create a new folder. I will just go to my desktop location, and to create a new folder, just go to the new option and select if you select the folder option, new folder. See, I have an untitled folder has been created. If you want to rename your folder, just select the checkbox and click on rename, and you can rename your folder. I will just rename it as tutorial installation. So I have renamed my folder. Then just go into that folder, and here I can create a new Python file. So just go back to the new option, and over here select the Python 3 option. Once you click on the Python 3 option, a new tab opens, and this is the Python editor where you will be writing your Python codes. If you want to rename your Python file, You can go to the top where it is named as untitled. Just double click on that, and you can rename it as anything you want. Say hello world, and just click on rename.